In today's insightful cryptocurrency video, we'll be talking about Gala or Gala Games. In this analysis, we'll look at Gala's technical analysis and price forecasts. Gala is currently placed number 74 on the market and has a market capitalization of about $531 million. In the last 24 hours, Gala has traded about $59 million worth of coins, which is a lot. Get ready to see some interesting price action on the Gala chart as we figure out what it means and make guesses based on what we know. At the Gala versus USD picture, we're looking at the 4-hour time frame and, as usual, using data from the Binance exchange. So far, our observations show that Gala has stayed strong at the key level of 0.0230. This level has been a stronghold for Gala, which confirms our bullish outlook on this digital asset. It's also worth noting that the 200 EMA hasn't put much downward pressure on Gala, which shows how strong and optimistic the market is right now. If we look at the rings, we can see that Gala is currently ranging. The outer rings are tilting slightly down, but we haven't seen any growth. This means that we may see more sideways price action, but it's important to remember that the bears have stopped the bulls. Ethereum has grown a lot in the last week and in the last day. This shows that the market is positive about Ethereum and that investors are knowledgeable about it. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that makes it possible to make smart contracts and other apps that don't need a central server. Ethereum has a big place in the crypto community because it was one of the first to use blockchain technology. The Ethereum network has changed how we think about and run digital contracts, decentralized apps, and even fundraising for your initial coin offerings. The impact of Ethereum has led to innovation and inspired a lot of other projects to build on its foundation, which has helped the crypto space as a whole grow and improve. The blockchain technology behind Ethereum is the basis for many of the tools and projects in its ecosystem. Using the smart contract feature of Ethereum, developers can build decentralized apps that are clear, can't be changed, and run on their own. NFTs Ethereum can be used for open supply chain management, identity verification, and many other things. This is one of its most important uses. Money and the economy use Ethereum to avoid platforms. As people look for decentralized options to standard financial systems, smart contracts can offer financial services like loans, yield farming, and more decentralized exchanges. They can also be used to create fake assets. Because of what Ethereum can do for non-fundable tokens, DeFi's rise has made Ethereum more important and used. NFTs, which are unique digital assets that show ownership or authenticity of digital and real things, are becoming more popular. NFTs are very popular in areas like digital art, games, collectibles, and intellectual property rights. Ethereum is the main blockchain for NFT development and transactions because it is compatible and reliable. As Ethereum continues to change, its future looks very bright. The upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, also known as Ethereum's transition to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, is expected to improve scalability, security, and energy efficiency. This upgrade has gotten a lot of attention in the crypto community because it could help Ethereum grow and be used more. Its current value of 1920 and interesting nature make it a very interesting coin in the cryptocurrency world. Its importance in the crypto community can't be overstated, as Ethereum serves as a catalyst for innovation and decentralization with its strong ecosystem. Saylor agreed that some government systems might make it necessary to use third-party guardians from a political point of view. On the technical side, he knew that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple help make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that some people, like the old or people who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, might be better off giving their things to someone else. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will have different ways of integrating and that the market will figure out the best mix of institutional and self-sovereign ways. He said that people shouldn't be afraid of the many ways to integrate because the changing Bitcoin market will naturally figure out the best mix of ways to integrate. On CoinMarketCap, $6,100 million worth of Bitcoin has been exchanged. Bitcoin is at the top and is worth $571 billion on the market. There are 19,455,681 BTC coins in circulation right now, but the most that can be made is 21 million BTC coins. How much is Bitcoin going to cost? The technical picture for Bitcoin hasn't changed. And neither has the amount of support, which is around $2,920. Right now, BTC has a balanced bias because it is hard for it to go above $29,000. If there is a positive breakout above the 29,600 level, BTC could reach $30,000 in the next 4 hours. The price of Bitcoin has reached $29,000, which is a key retracement mark of 61.8%. Closing doji lights up top this level could be a sign of a rising correction, but if the price falls below this point, it could go down to $29,250. On the other hand, if BTC can break through this level, it could go up to $31,000. The recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers as the market keeps changing. We should find out if this increase means that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees a growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the heart of their business. The rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers as the market continues to change. The question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. Saylor gave 3 main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians: a technical, politics, and it's only. Saylor agreed that, from a political point of view, some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple help make mobile crypto transfers work,